Zeroing in on zero conditional questions. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating part of English grammar, focusing on zero conditional questions. Now, don't worry if this term sounds new or complicated. By the end of this video, you'll be forming zero conditional questions like a pro. Before we delve into forming questions, let's quickly recap what the zero conditional is. The zero conditional is used to express general truths, scientific facts, or to give instructions. The sentences usually contain two clauses: the if clause, condition, and the mon clause, result. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. In this sentence, you heat ice is the condition, and it melts is the result. And this fact is always true, isn't it? Now that we understand what zero conditional is, let's move to forming questions using the zero conditional. Here, you need to remember that the structure of the question changes, but we're still dealing with general truths or facts. The structure of zero conditional questions typically follows the pattern: what happens if, or what do you do if? For example, what happens if you mix blue and yellow? Answer: if you mix blue and yellow, you get green. What do you do if it rains? Answer: if it rains, I take my umbrella. Notice that in each of these examples, the condition, mixing blue and yellow, it raining, still leads to a result that is always true or a routine action. Now that you understand the concept, it's time to practice. Remember, forming these questions can be a bit tricky at first, but practicing frequently will help you get a solid grip on it. Try to form your own zero conditional questions, and make sure to check them with the given structure. For example, try to form a question for the statement, if you don't water plants, they die. And that's a wrap on zero conditional questions. I hope you found this video useful and that you're now more confident in using zero conditional questions in your daily English. Keep practicing and keep exploring the beauty of English grammar. Happy learning!